झेंडाला आले या लिहिलेस ना.
कॉमन लिहिले.
कॉमन कॉमन.
बिल्डिंग किती राहते गावावरती.
हा हा हा. डबका ना. अरे बिल्कुल. या तुम्ही पुढे या. मला पुढे काय पाहिजे फोन घ्या मला थोडा बिझी होऊ जरा नंतर करू. हो बिझी. एकशे ग्रॅम किती गरम दादा तुम्ही घेऊ करून खराब भेटत ती हो हो एकच फोटो दादा दादाला सरकावला यार दादा और जीवन ले भी मांगे करा लो है देखो आगे हो गए जरा सर बंद हो रहा है जरा कड़न
ओके ओके श्राम चलो दिस बार राइट थैंक यू
Principal Makarand Nathan Patil, Shri B.R. Patil, the entire management and our respected principal, Professor R.S. Patil, every nook and corner of this land and every entity existing here extends a wholehearted warm welcome to Professor P. Ramaiah, former Pro Vice Chancellor and Emeritus Professor Hyderabad, Dr. Udayan Sarkar, former principal, BB College, Asansol, Professor Radhesham Rai, eminent Hindi Professor, Varanasi. May I now request our respected principal to extend a floral welcome to Professor P. Ramaiah. Dr. Udayan Sarkar. And Professor Radhesham Rai. Stay here and make it soothing, comfortable and memorable for all. We shall welcome all suggestions with an open heart and mind for the betterment of this college. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for your kind, nice words. And we remain on behalf of my two distinguished colleagues. I sincerely express our sincere thanks to the principal and his team for providing us a very good accommodation and all the care that you have been taking from the first minute of our landing at Indore and in your place. Thank you very much. We look forward for a very pleasant visit to this college, and we hope that the college will certainly benefit out of the rich experience that my colleagues possess. And of course, before in one word I will tell you, whatever we speak to you, you kindly take it in a very positive way. You should take it in a very positive way. It means that this is not a policing committee. And we are very happy that the principal and his colleagues are very dynamic, not only in their age, but also in their outlook too. I can only say This is not a policing committee. This is not a fact-finding committee. Nor this is an inquiry committee. This is only a peer team, visiting your college. You are already in the third cycle. You have a rich experience of understanding the persons, rich experience in assessing the persons, rich experience in possessing their what you call their thinking. We can only say that whatever we speak to you, whatever suggestions, me and my colleagues, when we interact with you, you kindly take it that we are here only to take some more information from you, so that's good for you. So when we write our report, that will be very much helpful. At the very outset, I would like to thank our director, Professor D.P. Singh ji, an eminent academician of the country, one of the very few academicians of this country, and Dr. Ganesh Hegde for choosing this the best team, the good team. When you choose a team that will not only help the institution and also help the peer team in assessing and in moving forward when you are undertaking a visit. So thank you very much for all the affection that you have showered on us, and we look forward in these 3 days. And when we interact with you and with your colleagues, I think we are here to update our knowledge. We are here to learn more things from you.
And of course, enrich us.
Knowledge is not anybody's possession. We are here to learn more from you, and so that we will be able to enrich our knowledge that will be useful to the others. Thank you very much for all the nice words that you spoke.
ताराच भरोसा तर काही जातं हे एकदम कम्प्लीट टाइम तर लेख चांगला